Help me welcome on the stage Sareena Acharya, Artistic Head, Enrich Salon.
Thank you very much. Hello friends, I'm Sareena Acharya and I'm the Artistic Head at Enrich Salon. And today here, we're going to showcase to you some wonderful future hairdressing trends. To begin with, we will start with some transformations of haircuts, and definitely there'll be some pre-done styles. I'm going to take some time later to explain each style what has been done. Until then, I want you to enjoy the show, Tales of Textures. Trying to cut a fringe for her, which is going to be very soft on her face, blending into the whole curly hair that she's got.
much shit going on. My brother doing 30. I gotta do something out here, something different out here. You already know, nigga really is from the block though. But you ain't never heard shit like this from the block before.
Yeah, top down. Top down. All over the top down. See me wrong with the top down. With my niggas and your bitch. Roll it with the top down. Roll it. Roll it with the top down. With my niggas and your bitch. Roll it with the top down. See me wrong with the top down. With my niggas and your bitch. You ain't got no idea. Guess I gotta teach ya. Top down through the streets here. You think she ain't on a leash, yeah? Baby, you know what it is. Know you a sleeper, but you know they love a creeper. Don't be shy with your features. Top down. Rollin' with the top down. With my niggas and your bitch. Rollin' with the top down. See me wrong with the top down. With my niggas and your bitch. Rollin' with the top down. Roll it. Rollin' with the top down. Tell your man he better pipe down. See me wrong with the top down. Girl, you fool. Lick it up like a dog. Riding in my coupe. I'ma take you back to the shop. Brother, how I do. Never let the scene choose you. Never met a man since school. Couple screws loose. Fuck it cause it match my cool. Fuck it cause it match my cool. Tripping like a fool. Never let the scene choose you. Never met a man since school. Couple screws loose. Fuck it cause it match my cool. Fuck it cause it match my cool. Top down. Rollin' with the top down. My niggas and your bitch. Rollin' with the top down. See me wrong with the top down. My niggas and your bitch. Rollin' with the top down. Roll it. Tell your man he better pipe down. See me wrong with the top down.
models here, and I'm going to talk about each look that we created and how we did it. Just quickly explain to you. Can I have my first model here? Please come. So on her, we've we've tried and kept it very, very sleek and straight. It's just an iron look, but the ponytail has been the focus. Just to add a little bit of dimension to it, we've done a little twisty on the top. So basically, I can show you how we did the twist. Divide the section into two. We've just twisted it around, but within that, it's important to just tease it a little bit so you get a shape like that, and then we join it to the pony at the bottom. Yeah, so that's the first look, which is the sleek look. Thank you very much. The next model, Sujata, can you come here? Yeah, so here with her we've worked on creating some texture in her hair. We've done the figure of 8, as you can see. I've left some inside so I can show it to you. So we've created this texture with a big U-pin that we got made for this specifically. Generally, when you use the small U-pins, you get a very frizzy or the Brazilian kind of frizz or the figure of 8 texture. In this, we've created real big ones, and that's how it just gives some definition to the whole shape that's created here. Yeah, thanks. Yes, you come here. So with Nikita, we've basically used the crimp to create this texture, and we've just backcombed it very softly, so to actually open it up, and so it's not actually backcombing to create like no shape, but at the same time you can see the shape in the hair of the crimp, and we just backcombed it very softly from the roots, so it gives this beautiful volume that we have. So it's a regular micro crimp that we've used on her hair to create this shape. Thank you. Yes, come here. So on Damini, what we've done is, this is a beautiful texture which is very soft. It looks really nice on highlighted and on light color hair, and hence yes, we've done that color for her. This texture is created by tonging the hair. We've used a 19 number tong size. Just curl the ends after the pony, and then we've backcombed it by teasing it with the fingers. Okay, so if I just pick probably a section from inside, we just backcomb it to create that kind of volume. And if you see, there's not much of spray done in the hair, but the whole the technique of doing the backcomb and the teasing gives you that volume. Of course, when you add your products, you can make it much bigger, but technique is really important to do the right thing, right? So that's the 4th texture that we worked on. And the other lovely girls, we've done their beautiful fringes. We've got a textured fringe done, which is definitely the coming trend in the coming season. And curls, movement, waves is always going to be there for the coming festive season. Definitely, these are the upcoming trends that's going to be in every salon. Enjoy the show further. Thank you.
I wanna hear your breath just next to my soul. I wanna hollow breast without any rest. I wanna see you sing, I wanna see you fight, 'cause you are the real beauty of human rights. Ooh, ma che bella, gonna get a ooh, makes my body dance for ya. Ooh, ma che bella, gonna get a ooh, makes my body dance for ya. Nobody can beat the Mama Africa. You follow the beat that she's gonna give ya. Only a smile can all make it go. The separation of 1,000 more. Ooh, ma che bella, gonna get a ooh, makes my body dance for ya. Ooh, ma che bella, gonna get a ooh, makes my body dance for ya. Ooh, ma che bella, gonna get a ooh, makes my body dance for ya. Ooh, ma che bella, gonna get a ooh, makes my body dance for ya.
Javed from Planet Enrich and Tejas again from Planet Enrich. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed the show.